All right, what's going on, boys? Today we're gonna be making a 2HOLLIS type beat, and I'm recording this intro at the end of the video because I didn't really have any direction when I first started, but it turned into some like 2HOLLIS vocal chop type beat. So I'm gonna show you how to do that. I'm gonna show you how to sample, flip the sample, flip it again, and then, you know what I mean, make some fire. So let's get right into it. All right, we're gonna do something around like 140 BPM. Let's do 143, and I'm just gonna go into Synology and grab some sort of like key sound or like a synth or something like that. We're gonna change that to a pad. Let's add another layer. I'm gonna add like a rough drum bounce, and then I'm gonna add more melodies after. Try adding a little vocal, and I'm gonna use Studio. Basically, you like type in any words and like click in the MIDI for it. It's super sick. And I'm just set this to A# minor right here. That way I can use my laptop keyboard as like the keyboard. And then let's just like record something just so we can get like the notes for the vocal. Yeah, we gotta fix this right here. Like, we can basically like draw like the vocal intonation. It's pretty crazy. Okay, we can change the words. What do we change this to? Take me away.
Take me away.
Take me all the way.
Take me all the way.
Okay, what rhymes with that? Write me lyrics for a melodic pop song. Late night city lights running through my mind like a neon sight. I can't. Okay, we're gonna chop it. We're gonna chop it. Let's get a fruity slicer, man. Set this to cut by beat. That's my OTT. Let's just like compress it, make it like, I don't know, I think we're gonna try to like EDM it kind of. I'm just thinking whether to change that progression into something else, because we can like totally like flip it now. Okay, I think we're gonna like 2HOLLIS EDM it right here. Let's get like a synth. Let me get a hi-hat, and I'm just gonna 2HOLLIS it. So you're gonna do one of these. We just need an OB snare now. Now we're just gonna clip it crazy. Let's just turn it up. It needs something else. It needs something else. What does it need? We do a B part for like the chops. Do something different for this little intro part. Let's get another ace bridge.
I can't let go.
Ooh, okay, yeah, we do a bridge, man. Crazy amount of reverb, and then we're gonna do like a reverse uno reverso kind of like transition kind of thing. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys liked the video, make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe. We're gonna be dropping a free 20k kit once we hit 20k. And also make sure to go check out Studio if you guys want to do some like cool AI MIDI vocals. What I showed you in this video is just like a spec of what you can actually do with Studio. Definitely check it out, and shout out to Studio. Thank you guys for sponsoring this video. And if you guys are looking for some new sounds, make sure to go check out some of my kits. Links are gonna be down below. Check out my Entitled kit, my Loop Archive, my Me and Me kit. Definitely go check out the Loop Archive. I think it's a super slept on kit. kit. If you guys have trouble like starting your melodies, just use one of the midis, and then you guys can like flip it around, change it around, and then create your own melody with it. It's 50% off right now, so links down below. Go check it out. Follow me on Instagram at ProudMayze. Join our Discord. Links down below. And yeah, love you boys. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.